In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bold text to an email in Gmail. Whether you're looking to emphasize a point or make sure your main message stands out, using bold text can be a great tool in your email writing arsenal. And the best part, it's super easy to do in Gmail. So, let's jump right in and walk through the process together. The first thing you need to do is open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in and you're looking at your inbox, take note of the big Compose button. It's usually located in the upper left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that to start writing a new email. This will open up a new message window where you can begin composing your email. With your new message window open, you can start typing your email. It doesn't matter if it's a short note or a long letter, just type away. But let's say there's a specific part of your text you want to make bold. Once you've written your message, simply highlight the text that you'd like to emphasize. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text, or if you're using a touchpad, you can press down and move your finger across the words. Once your desired text is highlighted, it's time to move on to the next step. Direct your attention to the bottom of the new message window. You'll see a row of icons, and one of them looks like an underlined letter A. This represents the formatting options. Click on it, and a set of new tools will appear. This includes various text formatting choices, including font type, size, color, and other enhancements. Now, focus on the icon that has a bold capital B. This is your bold tool. Once you've got your text highlighted and the formatting options open, all you have to do is click the bold B icon. Instantly, your selected text will be transformed into a bolder version within your email draft. And that's it, you've successfully added bold text to your email. Remember, using bold can help draw attention to important details or create an impactful message. But as with all tools, use it wisely. Too much bold can overwhelm your reader. Now that you know how to make text bold, feel free to experiment with other formatting tools Gmail offers. You can make your text italic, underline it, or even change its color to make your emails more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching today's instructional video, and happy emailing.